Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can use a camera to capture a picture or a video and add it to notes on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, open up the Notes app. Then open up the note that you want to capture a picture. Now, while editing the note, you can tap on the camera button. Now, if you do not see the camera or the toolbar at the bottom, tap on this add button right here. So tap on it, and then tap on the camera icon. Next, tap on take photo or video, and then use your camera, point your camera at a subject, and then tap on shoot so you can capture a video or a photo, and then tap on the shutter button to capture, and then tap on use photo, and that's it. Now, there are some limitations with this method, is that you cannot edit the picture before inserting into your note. It is very basic, has a basic function of capture. If you want to edit the photo before inserting into your note, I suggest that you use the camera app outside of notes and then capture a photos and then edit it before you attach them to your note using the insert attachments. So using the insert down here, and then you can simply choose photo or video from your photos library. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.